Hello, I am Badri Shabbarna. I am a business leader with over 25 years of experience in serving a lot of industries, bringing value to customers and the organizations. During the course of my engagement in the business, while I was working for building values to all the people involved, I also came through crises. Some were small, which we were able to overcome, and the biggest one of them came to me in 2008. This was the time when I had just taken over a newly started subsidiary in India. I had a lead role to play to build the organization from scratch. Same year, worldwide we had a recession. Part of it still continues now. We are in the recovery path. And one of the major things it affected was the semiconductor industries. Investments were shelved, and this subsidiary where I was heading was formed primarily to serve the upcoming fabs from the start. There were no fabs, which means there was no possibility of the big plans which we had. And the company itself, worldwide, our company, where I was working, we had a half turnover. We had to shut down 2 plants. We had to reduce people across the geographies. We had to work on a day-to-day basis under tight budgets. So this was a typical case for a crisis. My immediate focus was to make sure that we keep head high and run the operations because we had just started then. Still I had to cut costs. These were the 2 immediate challenges. Cost cutting was a bit more practical for me because we had done it many times in the past. Shifted office, reducing staff, controlling costs on travel because money goes straight away from profit here. Internally, keeping the big changes which were happening in the world, I had to revise the budgets, revise the time frame, still achieve break even, and this was all for the present. The question was, how do we survive? How do we manage our cash flow? And most importantly, what if this situation continues, or what is the plan B for future? The continuity steps which I took was technology partnership. While the semiconductor fabs zero, we had a booming solar industry. We had no presence, real presence in the sense we had no history of sale to this segment. So I brought out a new concept that in one of the critical components of the solar industry, I was able to strike a technology partnership with an Israeli company. This was not easy. I had to involve a lot of my product groups, product managers, business heads across the globe who themselves were new to this concept. But best part is they understood the value, and the immediate result is we achieved a break even within 7 months against the target of 1 year. The next one was the plan B. This was the most important. The plan B was a delicate part for me. I had to do a lot of balancing because I had to choose between direct involvement to indirect involvement, making a high pitch presence to a low pitch presence. So it was a set of very many factors of business balance. I am going to share only the 3 things which I did. One was I set up 4 distribution channels across the country which would react faster at a lower cost. We spent a lot of money training them, making them comparable, more productive in the field, more value worth to the customer. Second one was we were practically transparent with the customer and the market, shared the current situation and how we are going to do the business from now onwards. And this, at the end of it, we wanted to communicate that nothing has changed. The value which we bring to them, to their processes, remains the same. This was the essence of our new way of business. The third one was knowing that semiconductor, we knew historically it was cyclical, but we had to find a solution because we had to find an alternative set of markets. Today, this business, this plan B which I have put in place is continuing very effectively and is the order of the day. Friends, crisis does hit business, but what is most important is don't lose cool, don't lose direction, stay committed, stay on course, find alternatives, you will always be in business. That is the essence. Thank you.